I just wanna be the breadwinner and buy dinner, then go back to your place.
What is up, you guys? This is Tony from Tony Talks TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I install these curly clip-ins using the flip over method. This style in general is just so bomb. It's perfect for vacation, day-to-day life. It's simple, it looks natural, and I absolutely love it. So if you guys want to see how I do it, just continue watching. So first you start off like this, and look at my cat looking at me like, girl, do something with your hair. And the shrinkage is real, guys. I just got my hair done. I got it straightened maybe a week ago, and my hair is past my bra strap. Like, wow, that's insane. But I'm going to be using Curls Queen clip-ins. These clip-ins are thebomb.com. Not only are these clip-ins bomb, but they also come with little gifts and gems. So first I got this brush. This is a curly brush, and honestly it works really, really well. They also send you additional clips to clip your hair in, and there's Nala, of course, in the background. Again, always gotta be the center of attention. And then they also sent this bonnet, and it is a drawstring bonnet, and I use this quite a bit. I actually used this bonnet the entire time I was on vacation. But can we please take a look at these bundles? These bundles are top tier. Just the curls are so juicy. They look so natural. I love Curls Queen because they allow you to try different textures of hair that match your hair perfectly. I have 3B, 3C texture, I believe. I'll correct it here if I'm wrong. But yeah, the perfect thing about this method that I have, y'all, is that I suck at doing my hair. I love this method because this is for people that don't know how to do hair. So I first start off with parting my hair in the front, and I'm going to clip this off because we don't want to deal with that. And then I'm going to braid out the rest of my hair. Once again, as y'all can see, I do not know how to do hair, and that just shows you how bomb these clip-ins are, because you will not even be able to tell by the end of this video that I can't do my hair. So I just braided my hair down in 4s on both sides, and I split it in between the middle. And yeah, your best bet, if you're a good braider, even better. But if you're not a good braider, you just want to make sure the braids are as small as possible so that they are not in the way. So I think I actually did 4 braids, 3 or 4 braids on each side.
Making me hate you, probably think it's painful, but really I'm grateful. I think I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say I love you.
So here are the braids all done. Look at this parting, y'all. I suck so badly, but I honestly was rushing too because my flight was in 3 hours. I don't even know why I was doing my hair this late. I think I was just moving last minute as always. I was packing last minute. I also was cleaning my apartment last minute, and as y'all can see me talking, I was on the phone with my parents. But yeah, so here are the first clip-ins. I'm going to take the biggest part with the most amount of clamps. So you have it set up in pieces. Some have 5 clamps on them, some have 3, some have 4, some have 2. And I'm going to use the biggest because it's going in the back of my head. I just take the clips and then I clamp it on. I press it down. It's so easy. So I just pull it from one side of my head to the other, and then I clip it on, and I just move this all the way up to the very top of my head, and I just keep on going.
I be a danger to you, but that ain't.
And as I get closer to the crown of my head, I'm using the clip-ins that have less clamps on them, because as you get to the top of your head is smaller. So you're going to want to use the clip-ins that have less clamps on them. I hope I'm explaining this correctly. It's super easy once you get it, but here is what we're looking like, you guys. It looks so natural. You can't even tell right now from the back of my head, but just keep on watching and you guys are going to see me try to finesse the front of my hair, because I just took a sew-in out and my hair was so freaking dead. And it's crazy because this video was from like almost 2 months ago, and my hair in the front is already doing so much better because I haven't been straightening it. That just tells you don't need to cut all your hair off if it's quote unquote damaged. Just continue doing like treatments on your hair and your hair will bounce back like my hair has already. Now I'm going to be doing the front of my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is already straight. I highly recommend to wash your hair before you install your clip-ins, but if you're anyone like me that waits last minute, once again, I had a flight in like 3 hours. I didn't have time to wash my hair because I just took my sew-in out. Well, my friend Summer helped me late the night before, but yeah, I just took it out. But I was like spraying my hair and I was like, oh my God, my hair looks freaking dead. But it was not dead. I have revived it, but at this point it was. So I wet it with some water, and then I decided to take my extreme gel. I love this gel. Mwah, it's amazing. It's way better than Eco Styler in my opinion. But I took the gel and I started to try and formulate some curls because the front of my hair was just fried, dyed, and laid to the side, and I was really trying to work with it. So this is what you guys see me doing now. I'm like trying to figure out how to get it to blend perfectly with the rest of the clip-ins. Now, of course, if your hair is not fried, it's going to lay down perfectly, but you guys will see. Watch my finesse. Like, I was really good at finessing this style.
Getting old, there's not much to uphold. Almost like legal goals. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one Hey, yeah.
So here we are, you guys can see my hair. You can see some of the straight parts, and I just kind of blended it in. I tucked it in underneath the hair, you guys will see in a second. And then I just did my baby hairs, and I used Edge Booster. I love Edge Booster so much. So here I am just blending in the straighter hair because it was very much embarrassing. Once again, my hair looks better already, but I was really just trying to finesse it.
But that ain't old news. Delusional clue.
And then after this, I just wet the rest of my hair. You guys can wash the bundles before installing. I personally don't like washing the bundles before installing because I like it in its true natural form. It looks so good. But I wet it while it was in my hair, and this was perfect for me in particular because my natural hair was just not giving. And you guys can see already, it looks really good. It's just the front of my hair that's just, it was getting on my nerves, but I finessed it when I wet all my hair together, and then I just blended it, and I used the Edge Booster to mold it, which you guys will see in a second, to mold the front of my hair to have more of a curl. So here I am again using my extreme gel, and I'm going to put it through all of the clip-ins now that I have my hair wet, and this is just to help define the curls even more. And I'm also going to be using that extreme gel in the front of my hair to help it blend with the clip-ins as well. Once again, this is not their only texture. They have a multitude of different textures that will perfectly align with your hair and make it look as natural as possible. And now I'm going to be using Tresemé's Extra Hold Mousse, and I put mousse throughout my entire head as well. And this is also helping with defining the curls and helping it blend with my natural hair once again. And I love these bundles because they really, really closely align with my natural texture. I went on a cruise right after I installed this hairstyle. Everybody on this freaking boat, they all thought it was my hair. I was just sitting there like, oh my God, I'm probably just bamboozling everyone, but that's the purpose of clip-ins. You want to bamboozle people a little bit because you want it to look as natural as possible. And the best thing about curly clip-ins is that they're low maintenance, especially when they match your hair texture. So you can get them wet, you can be in the sun, and you can sweat, and you won't have to worry about your hair converting back. Just look how good this looks. So here is how I install my curly clip-ins doing the flip over method. I personally prefer the flip over method because I think it looks the most natural, and you won't have to worry about tracks showing, or you won't have to worry about parting your hair because of the way that the clip-ins are set up in your head. You see how good this looks for somebody that does not know how to do hair. Like, I am not good at parting, I am not good at braiding, and it all came together so well. So if you guys want to get these clip-ins, I'm going to leave them linked down below. Here I am dancing, having a ball. I loved how my hair turned out. I was nervous at first, but it came out so cute. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer. And just continue watching a montage of me dancing and loving my hair. I was so grateful that it came out so cute. Like, I was nervous as heck. And I will see you all in my very next video. I love you guys. Bye.
I just